I'm working the dovetails on the drawer assembly for that small portable desk. Here's the drawing of the drawer. It's quite small, 2 3/16 high, 14 inches or so long. So it's got some small dovetails. I used a template that marked out the location of the dovetails, and then also there's a groove for the bottom in this. These are the side pieces. So I've already knocked out these tails here on the side pieces, and then here is the front piece. So these dovetails will line up with the front ends here. The way I'm doing this, after marking it out, I'm using a little saw like this to cut to the lines, and then I use set up here to work these with several different chisels. And first step is to just knock a little chip out of that back to that cut line, and then come down with a little chop, not very hard at first. Then with maybe a smaller chisel here, I can knock this chip here, knock that out, knock that out. This needs a harder whack there. So then I've got a nice shoulder here, so I can go down a little bit harder. And then take another chip and I'll just do a little chop here and turn this thing over and work it from the other side. And again, starting with taking a little chip out of the back there. I need several different sizes of chisels here. 3/16 works well for this area. And then a 1/4 inch works right here. But I'll go back to the 3/16 here. Knock this chip out. Knock that out. Now it should that should be about the last vertical chop. Yeah, I'm through. knock that out. Come down a little bit here. Okay, so now it's just a matter of cleanup, and I put this up vertically and take a chisel and clean it out a little bit there. So that's this step. Then I'll match this up with the front piece and mark out the pins and work this end of the dovetail.